Alright guys, we're playing this funny game called Teardown. Look at that. Look, there's tractors. There's tractors. Oh my god, there's explosions. Alright, let's play this. Let's play this. Campaign? Alright, how do we play? Oh. Don't lag. Lagging. Door. What am I doing? Break the wall. Oh. Ooh. Just break in. Oh. There we go. Wonder it. Car. No more car. No more car. I'm going on a rampage. Rampage. Okay, I'm done. Alright, then play him. But fuck up. Get out of here. Shut up. Television. Chair. No more chair. No more. Click. Boink. Bro. This game is funny. Look at this plant. Alright. Let's actually play the game now. Oh my god. Oh. What? Oh. Alright. The old building problem. Alright, I'm done. That's it. I did my Alright, we need to blow up this house. Oh. Oh my god! Oh, it blew up. Oh my god. For the propane tank. This is, I don't know, this is a propane tank. I could be wrong. Here's a stove. Dude, your guy's got a toss. Ow! Oh, I have health. What? Oh my god, the house is burning down. Hey, wait a minute. Hey, watch your jet! Watch your jet! I don't like this house. Watch your jet. What is this? Oh my god, no more house. I got this. I'll extinguish the fire. I got this. I got this. I did it. No more house. I did it. Oh, yep. Wasn't me, officer. Bro, just look at the pile of rubble, bro. 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 It's just a pile of rubble. Oh my god. Shotgun. Shotgun? I have a shotgun? Oh my god. Bang. Boom. Pow. Boom. Ping. Bing. Pow. I like that wall. Hole in the wall. Oh, can I operate my hammer? No. Classic cars for Gordon Wu. I don't know who Gordon Wu is. Is that like Gordon Ramsay? Is that rip off Gordon Ramsay? Rule number 1 of this game. Break a sign literally everywhere you go. That's rule number 1. I don't think I was supposed to do that. Ooh, no. Oh, I hope that wasn't important. What? What's my... God, what? I also think this might have been important. Oh. No, let's try this. Let's try it. I'm so smart. I swear, I'm the smartest guy. Okay, let's... and... That worked. How did that work? Dude, I'm a great driver. I'm a great driver, guys. Yo. Oh, I'm such a great driver. Wait, no. Back it up! Back it up! Back it up! That should be good. Oh my god! The front of the car's gone! Get that shotgun out of here. That's brutal, man! Oh my god! Lord, thank the heavens. I don't think I have the time for that. What? God dang, dude. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do this. Quick save. Alright. I'm gonna do it. Oh my god, this thing is way too fast. This thing is way too fast. Oh my. No! No! Oh god! Come on, come on. Oh, that's one. Oh, it just disappears. What? Just disappears. That's not how that works. Hey, wait. Hey. No! No! No, please. I did it! Hi, get out of here! Ah, the police are coming! No! Get me out! The police wanted my organs, my bones. Oh, you get to see my horrible driving skills. Man. I at least made it. Oh god. Do I get a free car now? Da-da-da-da! Hi guys, I'm ready for another job. Ooh, new message. Not really demolition, but you don't know me, but I've had a series of break-ins recently. In the last one, I lost 2 very rare classic cars, and guess what? I know who did it. Gordon Wu, that absolute prick, is now bragging to everyone at the club about his 2 new favorite possessions. The break-ins caused me a lot of property damage, and I'd like to let Gordon taste some of his own medicine. Since you're in the demolition industry, I thought, well, I don't know if you do this sort of work, but let me know if it sounds interesting. The home of the mall manager and race enthusiast Gordon Wu, his daughter Freya and fiance Inin Kausman. In an exclusive mansion with a private racetrack in the backyard. That sounds real enticing, bro, but I don't want to do all that. That's enough of this. We are gonna go have fun now. Let's have some fun. Oh yeah, let's go to Villa Gordon. Oh, look at this beautiful place. I have nothing. Wait, hang on, wait, no, wait. Pew, 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 pew. I hate your house! Ah! Yeah, I don't, I don't think insurance is paying for this one. Yeah, I don't think your insurance covers somebody else breaking all your stuff. Hunting rifle. Let's go for that. Actually, let's go for that light. Oh my god, it blew the light apart. No more door handle! No more door! Boom. Bang. Pow. Oh, I got the door open. Okay. Pipe bomb! What the heck? Jesus Christ! Pipe bomb! Pipe bomb! Get the door! There we go. These are something else, bro. Nitroglycerin? What the fuck? What is that? What? Do I shoot it? Oh. Stop that. Oh my god! I'm a terrorist! Wait. Oh my god. I'm gonna... Ah! Oh my god!
Hey, you. Finally awake.
What the hell? What was that for? Oh my god. Man, I'm not happy. I'm gonna blow the entire front of this. Oh no, that's not gonna go well. Go rocket launcher. Oh! Ha ha ha! Get pranked! No more wall! Oh my god! Rocket boost vehicle button. Oh. I'm zooming. Zoom. I'm so fast. Ooh, I like elevator. Ooh. I like elevator so much I'm gonna put a bomb in it. I don't want to hear it. Where's the going, bro? I'm going in! Ah! I can't do this no more. Alright, well, anyways, that was Teardown and me being chaotic. Hope you had fun watching, and that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.
I shitted in my pants, yes. I shitted in my pants. I am for real. Never meant to make my booty shit. I apologize, I shit my pants. I shitted in my pants. I am for real. Never meant to make my booty shit. I apologize, I shit my pants. I'm gonna go to the bathroom because I shit my pants. I'm gonna pull down my pants and I'm not gonna wipe because I can't. I feel the diarrhea spreading down my legs, going through my toenails. That's why people say I sound like I'm